Hey everybody, welcome to Classic Dye Products tutorial for using our brush-on color kits. This tutorial will show how to properly recolor a vinyl or leather surface with our water-based liquid colors. Begin prepping the area by covering surfaces you do not wish to recolor. Here's an example of masking off along a seam on one side of the area being worked on. If the tape is having any difficulty adhering to the surface, cleaning will be required first to remove any conditioners, oils, or other impurities. Once the tape is adhering properly, continue covering the remaining area using items such as paper towels, drop cloths, old bath towels, or other shields. Note that this example masking will be removed for the remainder of the tutorial as the entire panel is being recolored. Prep the surface by pouring some of the Tri-Clean Prep Cleaner onto a clean cloth, sponge, or paper towel and apply generously to the surface in need of recoloring to remove any contaminants such as dirts, oils, and conditioners. Be sure to pay special attention to thoroughly clean seams, creases, folds, or other recesses, as these areas will typically harbor contaminants that can lead to adhesion failure of the new color coat. For a more thorough cleaning, use a stiff bristle brush in conjunction with the Tri-Clean. Again, pay special attention to seams and other recessed areas. An abrasive cleaning pad, such as a Scotch-Brite, can be used along with the Tri-Clean to wet sand leather surfaces. Apply one final application of Tri-Clean over the entire area. This will remove any contaminants that were brought to the surface while scrubbing or sanding. Once the surface is dry from the prep stage, it is time to begin adding color. Shake the bottle well for 5 to 10 seconds and pour into a container that is large enough for your sponge to dip into. Apply a light coat across the entire area that you are recoloring. If only doing a small area, this should be from one seam to the other seam across the entire panel where the recoloring is taking place. A hairdryer or heat gun can be used to speed the drying time if needed. Troublesome spots can be touched in and then dried prior to applying additional full coats to the entire area. Add additional light coats across the area using long, steady strokes. Be sure to overlap each stroke for a uniform finish. 2 or more coats will likely be needed, but applying too many coats can become detrimental as it begins to hide the natural grain in the leather or vinyl. Always allow each coat time to dry before starting the next coat. Surfaces may be sat on or reinstalled once they are dry to the touch, but optimum time for complete curing is about 8 hours, after which leather conditioners may be applied. We hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please visit our website at classicdyeproducts.com for a printable manual of how to apply our dyes and to order your color kit.